When a tiny frog hops into a giant tarantula's burrow, it seems like it's walking right into a trap. And if the frog has the right chemical signals, it's safe. The frog helps by munching on ants that could attack the spider's eggs. The tarantula becomes the frog's bodyguard. It makes the frog seem like a pet, but they're really just tolerant roommates.
Topping from the bottom. That's what that is. You know, we're taught this like kind of domination, might makes right thing, and that like it's just nature. The big fish eats the little fish, but like actually like nature is all about cooperation. And
yes, we talk about human affairs too fucking much sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Like human affairs are important because we are human, and
like we're taught, you know, supremacy in so much of our framework.
Human centrism, but you're excluding something, part of what is. So someone posted, I hear a lot of drivel about how the point of life is love and compassion. Wrong. The point of life is to reach the food before your rival! Exclamation point. Once you agree with this foundational idea, even if it's wrong, it sprouts other wrong ideas on top of it. And it can actually lead you in some crazy directions. So Dave Peterson here says, the whole problem with the human race is that we have separated ourselves from the natural order.
At first, like he had me going in that first line actually.
We no longer live by the laws of nature, which require only the strongest and smartest to pass on their gene.
Then I realized I was like, okay, no, he's an idiot. Strongest and smartest. But like,
what does that mean?
Exactly. He, as a man, sounds like a white man too, wants to think whoever's the most good at murdering, used their high functioning brain to like slaughter the most, is going to pass on their genes.
Yes.
But like, that's not how nature is.
Well, he's looking at a part of nature. That's something about nature.
I think most of nature is like fungi. And like,
that's the whole thing.
You go,
he's got a sliver of nature in his head.
Exactly.
Then he goes, that's the law of nature. Oh, we care about each other too much. Blind people should be left to die. We shouldn't be giving glasses out. Shit like this. I go, yo, nature includes a great deal of cooperation, shared resources, growth, evolution, flourishing. Nature should not be reduced to competition and genes. Natural selection is real and all you beta makes know it.
I'll read Dave's response and then you read yours. Typical soy boy loser speak. You can't give any kind of actual facts.
What you have is a tiny map in your head, Dave, but that map is not reality. Then you project that silly, incomplete map onto humans. I'd rather be a beta than a clown.
All you can do is try to make vague hints that you know something more than I do, but no proof, no facts.
The very fact that you're breathing oxygen is evidence of the collaborative truth of nature. But you're asking for actual facts and calling me names simply because I'm trying to help you say fewer dumb things.
You trying to help him?
I'm trying to help him. Widen your thinking, Dave. You should be grateful that yes, we do allow dumb people to have sex and risk procreating.